Hey everybody, it's come to the close of another class here at Full Sail. I'm here to reflect on what I've learned this past month. This month we focused on our presentation skills. I've learned how to interview, present, and how to use more types of technology throughout this month. The type of environment I work in is a bit different, as all of my students have different goals I need to work on with them, and I have to meet them individually, so because of this I haven't had to do a lot of presenting to the whole class. After taking this course, I've learned some different ideas that have allowed me to give more whole group presentations that incorporate all the students' goals into them. I've also learned to not just lecture to the side of them and let them watch the board or my presentation slides, but to be present in the presentation and move around and get them engaged and be part of my presentations, and doing them in such a way that all my students are engaged. I've received lots of comments and feedback from Dr. Deason and my group that have been very nice to have. I've taken them all in, learned from them, and tried to improve because of it. The biggest thing I've gotten from this course is that even though I don't have a lot of technology in my classroom and resources for that technology, I can be creative and work with what I have available. My students have really enjoyed this and benefited from this aspect of the course because I've been able to bring in more technology and let them learn the tools and different things that I've learned. And one of the big things I've learned is that when I'm nervous, I talk really super fast and my hands are all over the place. So I'm trying to work on slowing down my voice and just use my hands to make a point, not to spin all over the video done. I hope to use a lot more of the ScreenFlow and iMovie in the following courses, just because I've really enjoyed that aspect of it and creating projects and using them. It's been a lot of fun. So for that, thanks a bunch, and I will see you next month.